All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to close the tab group. So what I want to do is go to Window, and we're going to go to Workspace, and I'm going to grab a different workspace, so photography, for example. And what I want to do is just close all these panels out, except for the Layers menu, right? Or panel, I should say. So if we go up here, let's click on this and close tab group. Close tab group there, and tab group here. Close tab group, close tab group. There's a lot of them here. Wow. Okay, close tab group. What's good though is you're getting practice. So let's close this tab group as well. I'm going to leave that open there, and then I'm going to close this as well. Okay, so this is, I'm going to hit Control S to save as well. This is an important exercise to practice because if you're customizing your workspace, you want to know how to do it quickly and efficiently. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.